Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use format printer in Excel for entire column. So let's start this my Excel and you can see I have data. In this data, the one column have a different formatting. Okay, so this formatting I'm going to copy and paste in the another column. Okay, for that you have to select the entire column. So I select here the full D column. I just click on this column name and go to the Home tab in Clipboard Group, click on the Format Painter option. And here you can see the selection here showing. Now your cursor, it changes in brush. Okay. Now click on the column those you want to fill the same formatting. Okay. So I just click on the salesperson column and that's it. So here you can see the formatting is copied as same as here. So this is a way you can use the format printer in Excel for entire column. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.